Saved audiences are predefined groups you create using demographics, interest, or behavior. They are built with Ads Manager and can be reused for multiple campaigns. Custom audiences, on the other hand, are created from your own data like website visitors, app users, or customer list. Saved audiences help you reach new people based on filters, while custom audiences retarget people who already interact with your business. In short, saved audience is equal to cold targeting, custom audience is equal to warm targeting. Both are important, but they serve different purposes in meta advertising strategy.
इस टॉपिक के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए या हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने के लिए वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।